Struggling to make your e-commerce store stand out? Not sure why your business is failing or what you can do differently? Let's break it down and figure out what really drives success for your store. Running a successful online store isn't just having great products. It's about keeping things simple but effective. From how you manage your inventory to how you engage with your customers, everything matters. Good inventory management means you always know what's in stock and what's running low. It helps you stay on top of things, prevent overselling, and keep your customers happy. You can do this manually or automate it. Customer engagement is everything. It's about making sure your customers don't just buy, they trust you. Whether it's answering questions fast or offering personalized suggestions, it keeps them coming back. The more you engage, the better their experience and the more loyal they become. From your website's load time to how quickly you ship orders, speed matters at every step. A slow site will lose sales before it even gets started. A fast and reliable process keeps things smooth for everyone, and that leads to better reviews and more business. You can have the best products, the best website, and the best customer service, but if no one knows about it, you're stuck. The trick is to find the right people and show them exactly why your store is worth their time. Keep track of your inventory and engage with your customers. Make sure your online store is fast and easy to use. If you're ready to take your store to the next level, keep it simple and smart. Hit that like button, share this with others, and subscribe for more tips on growing your online business.